You think Dodgy Fire Stick is a harmless hack? Think again, because it could land you in serious trouble. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech hub. Illegal TV Fire Sticks and so-called dodgy boxes are streaming devices loaded with third-party software that let users watch premium content from Sky, TNT Sports, Netflix, and Disney Plus for free. But police and anti-piracy groups say using them is a serious crime, and they are working to crack it down across the UK and Ireland. Despite the risks, pirate streaming remains popular. A recent sports industry report revealed 58% of fans and 66% of industry professionals believe it's socially acceptable to use illegal streams as subscription prices are soaring. Even so, piracy in the UK is slowly dropping from 32% to 29%. Authorities say it's not just about free TV. Many illegal streaming services are run by organized criminal gangs, exposing users to viruses, malware, scams, and identity theft. Nearly 4 in 10 illegal streamers in the UK have suffered financial losses, with average losing £1,680, and some can even lose up to £5,000. Speaking legally, this comes under Section 11 of the Fraud Act 2006. So, anyone using or selling illegal streaming devices can face huge fines or up to 5 years in prison. More than 1,000 people have already been contacted by authorities and warned to stop or face prosecution. The message was reinforced by the jailing of Jonathan Edge from Liverpool, who received over 3 years in prison for running and using an illegal streaming service. Sky says it's taking action against viewers who don't pay, while Amazon is now blocking piracy apps on Fire TV sticks and notifying users. Streaming might feel free with this dodgy boxes, but it might cost you far more than you think. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.